Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. The topic for today is on and why. On and why. Many of the learners are getting confused while using this. So in this video, we are going to explain how to use them, right, with the help of examples, right? So let's start with on. On refers to quantity that has mentioned previously, right? On can be used for the quantity that is mentioned in the previous sentence, right? Whatever I have written here will explain it with the help of examples also, right? First condition is this one. Then it does not refer people, right? It does not refer people, but it replaces noun preceded by partitive articles, right? We have already discussed partitive articles like diu, dala, de, and indefinite articles like ayun, de, right? It cannot refer people, but it replaces the partitive or the indefinite articles, right? Then in English, it's equivalent to some or any. Some or any. A yun, indefinite article, is replaced by on in case of affirmative, right? In case of affirmative and negative. But in case of affirmative, we are using this, right? But in here, it is only replaced by on. We'll explain it, right? On can also replace numbers or expression of quantity, like beaucoup de, right? Expression of quantity. It can replace the plus a noun. The expression the plus noun. Avoir besoin de, parler de, avoir envie de, right? So with it replaces the plus a noun. All these conditions we will explain with the help of these examples. First, it refers the quantity that mentioned previously. For example, j'ai des livres. I have some books, right? So now, as we said, that it can replace the quantity. J'en ai. I have some. And there's one more thing, placement. Placement. So placement should be before verb, as we are doing for DOP and IOPs, right? See here, verb before that. So j'en ai, right? I have some. And in the other one, it can be replaced by on can replace du, de la, de, or un, yun, de. Same here, de to be replaced with on, right? J'ai des livres, I have some books. J'en ai, I have some. Getting it? Next, nous voulons acheter du fromage. Nous voulons acheter du fromage. We want to buy some cheese. Nous voulons en acheter. We want to buy some. Du fromage, right? Some or the quantity, or you can say partitive articles also, replaced with on, and the position of on is before verb. Nous voulons en acheter, right? We want to buy some. Clear? Next, here we said that and yun can be replaced by on, but we are using and yun also in case of affirmative, but in negative we don't. For example, avez-vous une valise convenable? Do you have a suitable suitcase or convenient suitcase, you can say. Avez-vous une valise convenable? or appropriate suitcase. Affirmative, positive sentence. Oui, j'en ai une. I have one. So this noun replaced by on here, and we are using the quantity also, as we said here. In case of affirmative, we are using une or un, but in case of negative, we don't. Now, negative. No, je n'en ai pas. No, I don't have. Right? Avez-vous une valise convenable? Do you have a suitable suitcase? Oui, j'en ai une. Yes, I have one. No, je n'en ai pas. No, I don't have. I hope this is clear. Okay, next example. Est-ce que vous avez beaucoup de travail? Expression of quantity. Right? Expression of quantity. Or you can say, on can replace the plus noun. Beaucoup de travail. Right? Est-ce que vous avez beaucoup de travail? Do you have a lot of work? Answer is oui. J'en ai beaucoup. Yes, I have a lot. Oui, j'en ai beaucoup. So quantity or this noun replaced by on. Oui, j'en ai beaucoup. Yes, I have a lot. John parle des chiens. Noun before that the, right? And you can use, you can say that this is partitive article. John parle des chiens. John is talking about the dogs. Oui, il en parle. Yes, he talked about them, or he talked about them. Right? John parle des chiens. Oui, il en parle. Yes, he talked about them. Getting it? Placement we have already discussed. There is one more example. Tu as besoin d'argent? Do you need some money? Expression of quantity, or the plus noun, you can say the plus noun here, or quantity also you can say. Tu as besoin d'argent? Do you need some money? Answer is oui, j'en ai besoin. Yes, I need some. So I hope all these conditions which we have discussed, they are clear through these examples. Right? Okay. After discussing on, let's discuss E. In English it's Y, but in French we call it E or Y. Right? First condition is E refers location or place. It refers location or place. Right? E does not refer people. It does not refer people. It also replaces a prepositional phrase like a, Delhi, Anand, right? And we will discuss all these conditions with the help of examples also, right? E also replaces prepositional a plus previously mentioned object or idea, right? Placement. The placement is same like on. We should place it before verb. We should place it before verb, right? Let's discuss all these conditions with the help of examples. Je vais à l'école. As we have discussed that this is referring to, or it refers to location or place. So school is a place here. Je vais à l'école. I am going to school. So now this location to be replaced with E. J'y vais. I am going there. J'y vais. I am going there. First condition is fulfilled, right? It doesn't refer to people, correct? Elle va en Inde, like this. Second condition. Elle va en Inde. She is going to India. She is going to India. LZ wa. This is to be replaced with E. LZ wa. And we have discussed it here. Placement is before verb. This is verb. This is E. This is verb. This is E. L E wa. She is going there. Affirmative. Positive sentence. El ni wa pa. She doesn't go there. El ni wa pa. In case of negative, need to put it after no, right? But before verb. Now it also replaces preposition a plus previously mentioned object. Elle pense à son avenir. Avenir is future. He is thinking about his career or his future. Oui, il y pense. Oui, il y pense. Yes, he is thinking about it. Il y pense. Il pense à son avenir. Oui, il y pense. Correct? Next example. Nous allons à la plage. À la plage. Again, preposition à plus previously mentioned object. Nous allons à la plage. We are going to the beach. Nous y allons. We are going there. Nous y allons. We are going there. Next example. John cherche des livres au marché. John cherche des livres au marché. John is looking for the books at the market. John y cherche des livres. E replaced this one, right? It is before verb, right? John y cherche des livres. John is looking there for books. I hope O and E are clear. For your convenience, I will write some questions or I will write some sentences for your practice purpose in the description box. And still, if you have any queries or questions, you can write in the comment box, right? And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.